showcase of the new, just released today, Club La La Land Crafts October kit. I didn't announce that we'll be doing it the live right now at this moment, so I'm not sure if anybody is going to join, but I'm just going to go ahead, and then those of you who are not here right now can watch the replay later. So basically, if you're not familiar with our club, this is a monthly subscription, and every month you will receive a kit in your mail. Hi, Becky. In your mailbox, there's a different theme every month. This month's kit is winter themed, just in time for holidays. Hi, Susie. And we have 3 types of subscriptions based on your crafting needs. You can choose either to get just the rubber stamps or just the dies, or you can get the full kit, which includes all stamps and dies. And with your kit, you'll get the information card like that will show you the names of all of the products included and the value of the kit. Plus, you'll get a link to the tutorials from our design team on how to use products from this particular kit, so you can get some ideas and start crafting right away. Each kit comes in this pretty gold envelope, just kind of shiny goodness in your mailbox. And let me show you what comes in this kit, in today's released kit. We have 2 rubber stamps, and our stamps are made from high quality red rubber. They are deeply etched, and they are already on the cling mount. So you simply remove the backing paper and put it on the acrylic block for stamping. And this right here this stamp is called Snow Day Marcy, and I have her colored for you already so you can see how she looks like, stamped and colored. And she comes with 2 sentiments: your friendship warms my heart and happy snow day. The second stamp set that comes in this monthly kit is the one with the bunnies, and it's called Snow Amazing because they're just so cute and so amazing. And the sentiments are: you're snow amazing, there's no bunny like you, and winter fun. And they're doing different things. So this one here in glasses, isn't he cute? Is building a snowman. So the only thing that he has left to do is put a carrot. And there's one skiing, so adorable. And another one rolling a big snowball, just starting a snowman. Cute. Then for the dice, we have 3 dice here. The first one is horse sleigh, and I have a die cut. Let me put it on the white so you can see it. I have a die cut from chipboard and from white cardstock, so you can get some ideas. And then we have vintage window. I love this die, and you can see it's a pretty big size here, so it goes nicely with the images. And I also have a die cut. I die cut it from chipboard here on this piece, and you can see you can leave the pieces in, or you can poke them out. And you can, once you poke this or remove these pieces, you can ink them or color them or stamp on them, and then you can even inlay them back in to create different effect. You can just do it in yellow, kind of to create sunlight coming through it, or you can do different things to make a stained glass effect. Would be really, really pretty. And then you can create different scenes with the horse being in front of it or in the window behind it. And the other die, the third die in this set, is this stitched trees. I really love it. It's simple, but it's just so adorable. And this is kind of like vintage or modern look on vintage with all of these dies here and the stamps as well. So that's the larger tree right here, and here is the smaller one. So you can see for the size reference, all of the stamps and dies work really well together. So just want to repeat probably myself one more time that this kit here was released just today on October 15th, and you can sign up. Thank you so much, Becky. Thank you. Thank you, Susie. Hi, Linda. You can sign up, if you're not in the club yet, you can sign up by October 17th to start your subscription with this kit if you're in love with it. There's no term to our club. You can cancel at any time and join back in when you're ready to join again. The only thing that we ask is that you do all of your cancellation or changes to the subscriptions. You give us 15 days advance notice. Other than that, there is no term. The value of this particular kit is $70.99. The cost of the club subscription is $39.99. So you're definitely getting really good value here for these products. And also these products are exclusive for about 6 months to a year. Since this is winter themed, will be probably close to a year until these products are added to our regular range and available on our website. So that also adds to the value of being a club subscriber. If you would like to get just the stamps, the stamp subscription is $19.99, and if you're only interested in the dies, the die subscription is $29.99, and that's the cost of the subscription that I'm mentioning right now. It does not include shipping, so that plus shipping cost. We do ship international. We ship to Canada and everywhere else in the world. We are, if you're not familiar with our brand, we are located in California, United States. So if you are not in the United States, then that will be international shipping for you. I don't have any projects to show you today. I only got a chance to color the images. I color most of the time with Copic markers, so these are all colored with Copics. And I love adding detail with the white gel pen. The one I'm using is Jelly Roll, so you can see all the little detail on my coloring is added with the white gel pen, and it's really, really nice to create different textures. To cut out the images, I use the scissors, the Cutter Bee scissors, the ones with the black blades, the Teflon one colored work the best to cut out the images. What else do I need to tell you to let you know? So I don't have any projects made, but our design team, you can already go on our blog to lalalandcrafts.blogspot.com, and there are projects already from our design team. If you decide to subscribe, you're also going to receive a link for the tutorials. Well, I think this is all for today. I hope you like it. I hope if you're not in our club yet, I hope to see you there. And this is all for now. Bye, till next time.